Okay, problem number 13 is, again, a straightforward skill problem, just finding the derivative of a function. So let's rewrite this function to make the rules that we need to use look more recognizable. We can say that f of x is really the quantity cosine squared of 3x, all raised to the 1/3 power. And remember that cosine squared can really be written as cosine of 3x squared. And this whole quantity is raised to the 1/3 power. So using your algebra rules, power to a power, we can really call this cosine of 3x raised to the 2/3 power, because 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. So f of x is going to equal cosine of 3x raised to the 2/3 power. Now we need to just differentiate, recognizing, of course, that this is a composite function, and we're going to have to use the chain rule. So f prime of x is going to be, let's see, the outside function is something to the 2/3 power. So the derivative of something to the 2/3 power is 2/3 times something to the negative 1/3 power. Now the inside, cosine of 3x, now wait a minute, the inside is a composite function itself. This is a double whammy chain rule problem. We're going to have to use the chain rule again. So of cosine of 3x, this is a composite function. The outside function is cosine. The derivative of cosine of something is the opposite of sine of something. Now the inside function 3x hasn't changed. We'll multiply by the derivative of the inside function times 3. So let's see what we can do here. Let's do a couple things. Right now you see a divided by 3 and a times 3. So let's simplify. Let's eliminate these. See what else we can do. There's a 2 and here's a negative, so let's call this negative 2 times the sine of 3x. And remember that negative exponents mean reciprocal. So let's bring that stuff down here to the denominator, and we'll call this cosine of 3x, all raised to the 1/3 power. All right, now let's see which one this matches. Well, it looks like we're just going to have to rewrite this a little bit. They didn't use the fraction exponent, so we'll call this negative 2 times the sine of 3x all over the cubed root, or the third root, of cosine of 3x. Now let's see which one this matches. That looks like option letter C. So this is an exercise in practicing your rules, paying attention to detail, and again, just doing enough simplifying to make our answers match the multiple choice options. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful.